going on, YouTube? This is Manny Fresh, coming with you with a starters kit video. The name of the page is Back to Life. Welcome to everybody that's first viewing. Let's get into it. Right here we have our detailed knife. I got this at Angelus, obviously, but got the white paint, acrylic white paint for Angelus, the flat black paint with Angelus, and the green acrylic paint with Angelus. Then we got two thin, red paint for Angelus. I should put it over there. We also got another black dye, jet black dye. The So Bright, the Easy Cleaner, the Leather Prepare and Deglazer, also the Mac Finisher. Okay, now the supplies that I had got. Alright, these items right here.
Come in. No, that is recording. Come in.
These items right here. Actually, this came with the kit. All this right here is with the kit. The brush, the paint brushes. You get 3 paints, because I bought the green one, but you do get 3 paints: the Mac Finisher, the Leather Deglazer, and the Easy Cleaner. These items right here I bought separately. The So Bright, the jet black leather dye, the 2 thin, and the green. This I got for the Staples. Yeah, it was only like what, I think like $2 or something like that. And I also bought this. This is for like the suede, the nubuck, and things like that. This is actually good. I had got this from Staples too. Target, I'm sorry, I had got this from Target. So if you're looking for anything that clean the nubuck or the suede, this is one of the good things. So this is actually really good. But off of that, I will have all my products that I recently have got in the description below. So Wednesday will be my first official video of my it's not gonna be a custom, it's more so gonna be a restore video. So just look out for it on Wednesday. Thanks guys, have a good one.